Welcome to Roll for Sushi. Let's roll. Fish Magnus inventory 6. Ika, squid. It's already been scored for us, but we're gonna make some perpendicular cuts to make it even softer. It looks like scale mail. Sushi polymorph 6. Tamari. Little dab of wasabi, wrap it tight, leave it alone for about 5 minutes. Mercer's. Fruit, fridge clean. We have watermelon and cantaloupe, and since we're going with tamari ball shapes, let's use our melon baller. Magic Tavern 12, Chef's Choice. Alright, here we go. We have some tobiko left from last time, so let's keep the ball theme going. Tobiko is cured flying fish roe. I've never seen anything like this, but it looks great. And you know what? Once we have this, let's torch it. Alright, let's even add more balls. I've got ikura, which are salmon eggs. Let's plate it with the melons in between. I have no idea how this will taste, but creatively, this is the most fun we've had. I think we may have even invented a new sushi. Let's give it a try. Wow, I really like that one. It has every texture going. Chew of the squid, pop rocks of the tobiko, the salinity of the salmon eggs. 8.5 out of 10. Now with the fruit, I'll let the original audio talk for itself. Melons tend to bring out the fishiness in dishes, and it was just unbearable. I can't. How did that not be a 0? Serious? There you have it, both a 0 and an 8.5. Top 100 and last piece to the camera woman.